So you have a grid of 5 by 5 cells, and then you have a dice at the top. This is the dice you have to place somewhere on the grid in a cell. Let's drop it here. And you have dices that have values from 1 to 6. And the point of the game is you try to place them, the dices that have the same value next to each other. So in this case, 1 is different from 2, so we'll try to place it somewhere away from the 1. Now 1, so let's place it close to the 2. Okay, and now if we place this final dice, the third dice, anywhere in the cross section of these two, so either here, here, or here, we will have 3 dices of the same value, and they will get combined into a dice that has the next value. So in this case, we have 2. It will become 1 dice of 3 with 3 dots. And it doesn't matter the number of dices of the same value you have, as long as they are next to each other, they will all get combined into 1 next dice. Okay. For some reason it bugged. Okay. And you get a point every time there is a combination, and once you reach dices that have value 6, if you combine 3 of them, they will explode, and they will clear the area around them, and you will also get 25 points as bonus. So yeah, try to reach as high of a score as you can before you run out of cells to place your dices in. So that's how you play the game. And yeah, that's pretty much it.